All right, guys. So welcome to the live show. All right. So dogs were supposed to be listed today for trading. Unfortunately, or will I say fortunately, they actually postponed that. So dogs will be trading in few days. Okay, 2 days from today, and all of that. But a lot of you are finding it difficult. A lot of questions you have in mind, and all of that. All right. So I have my friends who have joined me for the live stream today, and I want us to deal with all of those questions that you have in mind. All right. So as always, what you would do for me right now, okay, is to use the comment section. All right. Use the comment section and let me know all of the questions, all of the challenges you are facing in terms of claiming the dogs token. Okay. And all right, so yeah, that's what we're going to look at. Use the comment section. If you are joining on Telegram, equally use the group for that. If you are joining on YouTube, use the comment section. Let's see how we can get this rolling. If you're having any difficulties, you're facing any challenges, just let me know and I'll trade that. Okay. All right, so let's get it rolling. All right, so Kings, how are you doing? Mr. Kings, how are you doing? How are you doing? Let me know, how many dogs did you get? How many dogs did you get? I will probably be showing you guys how to get a lot of free dogs today.
Okay, I'm doing very good, boss. I think I got about 10,000 plus. Yeah, 10,000 plus. I know it's not much, but at least it's something. Freighting.
Yes, I'll be looking at how much that will cost, because currently dogs is trading on the yeah, it is. We'll look at how much that will be worth. Okay, let's just guess what the price of dogs would be, and all of that. Okay, so
I saw on a trading platform. I think it's Binance or OKX. I don't know which. It's either of them. The price was around $0.02. Yeah, that's. I think the speculation is supposed to be around that area, at least for the launch. Then maybe after a while, we all know that it's going to go down. But for the starts, we're speculating around that area. So let's just see how it goes.
it's all right. It's all right. Okay, so guys, let us know if you have questions about dogs trading. Okay, currently this will not be trading, but there is a way you can actually go about this to earn some token. Bybit is actually giving out a lot of tokens if you do participate in the ongoing launch token splash. Okay, this is the link. All right, this is the page here. You need to come in here and indicate your interest. Okay, you need to come into the Bybit token splash page to indicate your interest, and you'll be able to stand a chance to share in these this is 2 million or 2 billion, right? 2.4 billion tokens that Bybit is giving at 2.4 billion tokens of the dogs. All right, you can get these tokens participating in this token splash. So basically it comes in two ways. All right, it comes in two ways. So new users can come in here, just click on register, and the link will be in the video description. If you are joining from YouTube, the link will be in the video description. If you are on Telegram, the link is already there on Telegram for you. All right, so make sure you come in here and register. When you come in here, to ask you to log into your account. So log into your account if you have a Bybit account already. If you don't have a Bybit account already, just register for an account via this link. All right, so once you click on it, you register, and all you need to do, all right, to share in this token that they are giving out for new users, this 1.9 billion token, all you need to do is deposit $100, all right, or buy USDT worth $100, like trade dogs, okay, worth $100, and you qualify to share in this. Okay, you qualify to share in this. Then for those of you who are requesting to withdraw your tokens to Bybit, please, this is an opportunity for you. Okay, this is equally an opportunity for you. Make sure that you register on this page. All right, make sure that you come into this page and register your interest, because when your deposit comes in, all right, they say deposit at least, this is 100,000, right? Deposit at least this number of tokens, and you equally stand a chance, okay, to earn $192,500, all for free. All right. So if you make your deposit into Bybit, you will receive some token. If you decide to buy USDT or buy $3 worth $100, you will probably be receiving this. Then for old users, those of you who have been using Bybit all this while, all right, all you just need to do to earn from this 550 million DOX token is to complete a certain task, which is trading. All right. If you trade DOX worth $500 on Bybit, you stand a chance to share in this token that Bybit is giving out. Okay. So go and click on the register now option. The link will be in the video description, or if you're on Telegram, the link will equally be there. All right. If you have questions about DOX, listing, about claiming, and all of that, you can go ahead and use the comment section and we'll answer all your questions. Okay. And we have Priceless, joining us on stage right now. How are you doing, Priceless?
I'm fine. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How are you doing?
I'm good. How's work? How's trading?
Well, thank God. How many dogs did you get?
I think 25K, roughly.
Okay. I think currently DOX is trading on DOX is currently trading on LBANK, right? LBANK. Yeah, this is what it's trading. And the highest DOG went to was around 0.047. Okay. It got listed on LBANK and then it started trading. So the highest it went to was 0.047. This is what it went to, and currently it has dumped to this level right here. So from this right now, guys, tell me, from this right now, what do you think that this will be traded at if it get listed on, all these other major exchanges, Bybit and the rest? What do you think? Will it go with this 0.0? Because currently we have 10. It's currently trading at 0.012. So will it go above this? Will it go above this level, guys? Will it go above this level? Will it go above the 0.47 that 0.047 that LBank is giving us? Let me see if this will allow me to type. Okay, so for those of you who got 20K at the current price, let me even use the current price for this. That's 0.0129. Okay, 129. All right. So if you got 20,000 of this token, right? If you got 20,000 of this token, that will be worth over $200, right? It will be worth $200. Then if we get to that 0.04, that will be worth over $800. All right. It will be worth over $800. So it all depends on how many of these tokens that you got. Even those of you who got 10,000, for instance, if you got 10,000 of the DOX token at 0.04, you're looking at $400. At 0.01, you are looking at the $100. All right. That's basically to give you an idea, because when this get listed, it will be trading within this. Just have an idea that it will be trading within this rate. Anything between this 0.01, to 0.047. It will be in between, or it can even go higher than this level, right? It can go higher than this level. So at the end of the day, dogs did not stress you like Hamster is doing right now, or TapSwap. These are the most popular tapping platform where even when people are walking on the road, they're inside the vehicle, and people are getting tired of this. All right, dogs was just log in. It tells you how old you've been using Telegram, and then they allocate the token to you. It's as simple as that. All right, it's as simple as that. And they are working on a lot. They'll be integrating NFTs to it and all of that to make the system more, just to create like a, making more of utility meme coin. I don't know, right? So please, if you are going to hold it, why not hold it? But if not, you can sell whenever it does, because what is happening on LBank right now is what you see. The token will go up, and then eventually it comes down before it start going up. So when you see it at a good price level,
I feel like
you can sell your tokens. Yeah.
I feel like it will dump more when it's listed on Bybit and Binance, because the amount of users on Binance and Bybit is more than the amount of users in this token, in this exchange. So
in LBank,
the selling pressure here is not much. So I feel like once it gets listed on Binance or Bybit or Binance, it's going to dump more. So the wise thing to do is probably sell and then allow it dump, then divide your profit and buy half. Is going to, let's say you have $1,000, which is more, which is worth $400, and when it get listed at this current price, let's say you could sell, and then when it goes below this price, maybe 0.002 or 0.007, you can buy with $200 and hold. And just as Notcoin did, Notcoin dumped, then it's pumped again after a few days. So I think the best thing to do is probably sell so you have a profit, because if you do not keep your profit in this space, you might wake up and you don't see it. So sell, keep some profits, then come back and buy again. That's like my own advice.
Exactly. All right. So for Casa, is it Cida? Let me use that one. That one is easier to pronounce. Okay. So if you want to get more dogs, all you just need to do, okay, the link will be in the video description, and if you're on Telegram, the link is already there. All you need to do is to come in here. Once you click on that link, it brings you to this page. If you have a Bybit account already, just log in. This button will tell you register. Make sure you click on the register button. All right. And I will advise that you withdraw your tokens to Bybit, because when this deposit finally comes, okay, when your deposit gets to Bybit, you get, share in these tokens. There are about 2 billion plus tokens that Bybit is giving out to all their users. So if you make a deposit of 100, is this 100, a 10 million, okay, if you get up to 10 million dogs and you deposit that into Bybit, you stand a chance to get 192K. All right. But if you deposit $100 USDT and trade $100 worth of dogs, you equally get up to this 192K. So the choice is yours. All right. You can decide to come deposit. And if you're already a Bybit user, then just trade the dogs token worth $500 and you stand a chance to get up to 30 million of the dogs token. All right. That's basically it. Just make sure that you click on the register option, and you'll be able to get more dogs for yourself. Okay, click on the register button, and when it finally listed for trading, you can start completing tasks and start claiming those dogs tokens for yourself. All right. So let me see the next question I have here. Should we withdraw before it's listed on Bybit? Whenever you click on the withdraw, okay, I think I've made a video on that. Whenever you go to claim on the withdraw option, all right, if you are withdrawing to Bybit, to other exchanges that are listed there, you will not get the token immediately. You will get it on the day of the listing. All right. On the day of the listing, that is when you will get those tokens. All right. So withdraw, you are not going to get the token immediately. Right. So people who are trading on LBANK right now are just doing buying and selling on LBANK. Okay. So some persons started buying, and when it started going up, they started selling. It's not as if it is the airdrop token that they are trading there. So yes, you can just withdraw to any of the exchange. Start withdrawing it now. But if you want to be patient and wait, I don't know why you should be waiting until you get listed. You can go ahead and do that. All right. Except you want to withdraw to your custodial wallet, which is the option that is going to be available when it is listed for trading and all of that. So whatever you want to do, you can do that. Okay. And how can we initiate the withdrawal? I'm a newbie. The withdrawal option is, oh God, I have a video already, okay, on that. Please try to see that video. All right. Try to see that video. I have a video on that, guys. Okay. So try to see that video, please. Go try see that video, and that should be able to guide you. The withdrawal is just straightforward. It's not something that is difficult, but if you are still confused about how to withdraw it, first you need to go create a Bybit account. Okay. Get your Bybit account username ready. All right. Not your username, the UID of your Bybit account. Okay, so if you come to my videos here on YouTube, there are the two recent videos right here on how to withdraw dogs. The first one is how to withdraw your dogs to Bybit. The second one is how to withdraw your dogs to your Telegram wallet. Okay, so I've stated that here. You can go see that video and see how to withdraw your dogs to any of the wallet you prefer, either your Bybit, which I recommend, or to the Telegram wallet. Okay, so that's what you need to do. It's not being allocated. Yes, it has not been allocated yet. You will get it on the day of the listing. Okay, on or before the day of the listing. Also, is in their banner that they will be sending the tokens on the 26th. I thought it was on the 27th. Okay, yes. That means after the listing, right? After the listing, that's when you'll be getting all this.
When the airdrop.
Okay. Yes, after the airdrop, sorry. That is after the listing, the airdrop will now come. right? The listing will be already, LBANK has listed it already. So other popular exchanges like Bybit will start listing it on the 23rd. So after the listing, that is when you'll be getting the airdrop. Okay, maybe they are trying to actually moderate the dump.
The selling pressure.
I don't know, but
I don't
exactly.
think
So
everybody will
whenever
get
this,
their airdrop that day. I don't think everybody is going to get their airdrops that day. So maybe don't panic in case you don't get the airdrop, because they'll try to reduce the selling pressure. If everybody dumps at once, the token will go to zero. So they are trying to manage the volume and the selling pressure. So it's better the buying and the selling is going on instead of the selling is more than the buying.
Exactly. So why they rush? Okay, why they rush, guys? Just give it time. If you are patient enough, you could actually be the patient dog, right? That will eat the fattest bone. Okay. So remember, we are dealing with dogs, all right? So you have to be patient. Remember that saying about the dog being patient, right? So try to be patient with your dogs, and you will definitely be eating the fattest bone. So don't say no. I don't want to withdraw to Bybit to receive on the 26th. What if you receive it on that 23rd? And then you sell it, and on the 26th, the market start going up? What will you do? Will you now start regretting and the rest? Okay, so don't be in a rush about these things, all right? Don't be in a rush about this thing. Just calm down, be calming down, all right? So please, what is the current price of dogs? Is what you are seeing on the screen right now, okay? What you are seeing on the screen right now is what is currently trading at LBANK, okay? 0.013. All right. How many dogs did you get, guys? Let me know in the comment section. How many dogs did you get? Let's be giving you an idea of what your dog's token will be worth when you finally get it for trading. Okay. How many dogs did you get? Let me know in the comment section. Who among us there got up to 100 million of this dog's token? Who among us there got 100 million of this token? Because even me, I didn't get up to how many. I think it was 35,000 or thereabout, or less than that. I can't really see. Okay. So if I have, let's say, my 35K at 0. Let's say the price is 0.12, all right, and I'm selling my 35,000 worth of the dogs token, right? So 35 would give me around 420 at this current price. Okay, at the current price to give me around 420. Then if it goes to 0.4, that would be, maybe I'll be making $1,000 plus or thereabout in this stuff. Okay, I'll be making $1,000. But if there are a whole lot of people who got, like, millions of these dogs, there are people who got millions of these dogs. Okay, so maybe there will be worth a lot more. Theirs will be worth a lot more, and all of that. All right. Okay, so priceless. Briefly, guys, before we continue, you can keep the question coming. Use the comment section. Okay, I will go ahead and look at somebody got 10,000, somebody got 20K, somebody got 14K. Okay, I'll sell 60%. All right, Henry wants to sell 60% of his dog token. I'll come back to all of your tokens, but briefly, please, what's your priceless? What's your YouTube name? What's the name on your YouTube? Let my community subscribe to your YouTube channel so that they can help boost, so that next time when you join the live section like this, you can equally, you can equally live stream on your from your end. What's your YouTube name, please?
I just sent it on the private priceless trades. I just sent it on the private chat.
Okay, let me check and just copy the link and send to you guys. Guys, please help support her. Okay, help support her, and just subscribe. Subscription doesn't cost anything, right? Yeah, subscription doesn't cost anything. So help support her, and and subscribe to the channel.
I'll be dropping the link on the comment section now.
All right. So if you search priceless trades, let me look for the exact one that this has. Where I can't find you here. What's the title of a video you recently published?
How to secure your crypto wallet.
You need to do your some SEO stuff, optimization on how to secure
your crypto wallet.
Okay. So she published a whole lot of useful content on our platform.
Yeah, that's it. You just saw it. You just passed it. The
Where?
first video. The first
This one,
video.
right?
Yeah, that. Yes, I'm a
This one.
Oh, I think that's
Okay.
it. Yeah, that's
Please. Yeah. Go support her. Okay. Go support her and subscribe to our channel. Okay. Yeah. Go support her and subscribe to our channel. Just click on the subscribe button and you're good to go. Then you can turn on the notification bell. Okay, so that whenever she publishes videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified whenever she does that. Okay, can we get her to at least 100? Okay, 100K subscribers, right? Yes, that's 100K subscribers. So please go subscribe to our channel, support her. All right, it's free. Subscription is free. It doesn't cost anything. Okay, so I'll just share the link right now on the comment section, so that you can go subscribe to her channel. All right, thank you so much for doing that. All right, so with that said, let me start calculating how much your tokens are worth. Okay, while you are subscribing to our channel, let me start. Let me just post this link, then I will just let you know how much your tokens are worth right now. Okay, so support priceless, okay, by subscribing. Just click on the link and then you go subscribe. Okay, just click on the link and subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right, now let me start with okay, Henry got 14K. So your 14K token will be worth right now at the current price of 0. Let's say it has gone to 0.3. So at the current price of 0.013, and then you got 14,000 of these coins. Okay, your 14,000 will be worth $182. Okay, it will be worth $182. And if this thing goes to 0.2, that will be worth $200. If it goes to 0.4, for instance, okay, that will be worth $500. All right, but let's use the current price now and just calculate what you get. Okay, 0.013, so you're getting $182. I think it's still fair, right? It's better. It's even better than 𝗕𝗲𝘀 that didn't give us anything. True or yes? 𝗕𝗲𝘀, after the struggle, the hustle.
Thank God I didn't do it.
You didn't do it, right?
I didn't do it. Like, it was too stressful.
So annoying set of airdrop that Then Henry got, okay, the same Henry got 14K. Okay, so your 14K will be $100 plus. Okay, the 20K, let me check the 20K. Now your 20K will be worth how much right now? Let's see what you have here. So with this same current price, okay, and you got 20K, so your 20 will be worth around $260 at the current price of 0.013. Okay, so I got somebody got, this is 101,000, right? What's this? Is that 100 and?
I think it's 10,000.
Okay, 10,158. Okay, so this guy that got 10,158. Okay, it's not up to 100,000. It's 10,000, right? Yeah, 10,158. Okay, yours at the current price it will be worth $130. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, that's a whole lot of money. Doing nothing, right? It's a whole lot of money. Yeah,
more than 160,000.
Exactly. Then Victor got 80,312. 80,312 at the current price will be worth 80,200 and is it 312 or 212?
312.
Right? That was over $1,000 at the current price. That's over $1,000 at the current price. If this thing goes to 0.02, okay, that's over 1,600. If it gets to 0.04, you're looking at $3,000 plus. Okay, you're looking at $3,000 plus. I don't think these guys, maybe this thing would draw more than this. Okay, giving out this free money like this. Seriously, giving out this free money like this. Okay, somebody got 52,630. Okay, 52,630. So let's see what you got. 52,630. Okay, so at 0.04 you'll be worth $2,000 plus, but let's do at the current price of 0.013, that's over $600 plus. Okay, $600 plus. If you're in Nigeria, that is more than up to close to $1 million, right? It's close to $1 million naira, I guess, right? Okay, so let's see. Maybe dogs will be the reason why a lot of people will come into this, click to earn or clicker games on Telegram again. Maybe that will be another reason why a lot of people will start buying it. But hamster combat, I'm tired of it. Okay, I'm just collecting keys. I don't do every other thing again. It's just the keys that I'm just collecting, right? But the one I'm currently serious with is X Empire. That one will be. We're hoping that between September and October, they should be available for trading. But let's see how it goes. Nobody got up to 100 million. I think the highest is 1.7 million. Okay. Even the 1.7 million, let's even look at 1.7 million at the current price. How much would that be worth? 1.7 million at the current price.
That would be close to like.
So let's say the $4,000. If
not more.
I guess it will be more. That's 1.7 million. Okay.
Yeah.
That's 160, right?
Yeah. That's 20.
Is that correct?
No, take
22,000, right?
Yes, $22,000. Man, this person will be balling in money.
This is, if I take 10 out, it's 170. Okay, we're talking about 1.6 million, so it's $22,000 plus, right? Yeah, so it's 22.
The person will just
go correct?
Vacation, just vacation for the rest of the year. Yeah. That does not give the money back to the market though, because this space will give you and collect it back if you're not wise.
That's right. That's right. 52K. I think we've calculated that 52K. So you should be worth a whole lot. Okay, you should be worth a whole lot. Somebody got 40. Please, this is the link. Okay, click on this link here to subscribe to Priceless. Yes, I've sent the link. Okay, 𝗘𝗍𝗃𝗀𝘀, thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel. I do appreciate subscribe to your channel. Yeah. Okay, and mind you, on the day of the listing, we'll be doing this live stream together. All right, we'll look at the market, the current, price. We'll look at the current price action. We look at for those of you who want to sell immediately. Okay, somebody say he's going to sell 60% and hold 40%. Okay, you had good as that opinion. So whatever it is, we'll be sharing that together. So if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. You can equally join us on Telegram for all the updates. And don't forget, okay, to go register for the Bybit token splash to be able to earn more of the free dogs token for yourself. Okay, 44,500. Let's look at what that will be worth. At the current price here, 44,500. Okay, that will be worth $500. Okay, at the current price, your tokens will be worth $500. Okay, for David, so $500 for you to go home with. That is, if this token trades at this low, okay, or higher than that, then if it is higher, you get more money. Thank you, Henry, for subscribing. All right, thank you, 𝗘𝗍𝗃𝗀𝘀, for subscribing, guys. I got 11K on one account and 9K in the other account. Total of 20K. So if you got 20K, your 20K at this current price will be worth, I think it's around $200 or so. Yes, $260. So that's what you'll be worth. Okay, and dogs token is one of those dogs. Airdrop is the one that a lot of people neglected. So I got is that 3,730. Why did you just join Telegram? Sunday, did you just join Telegram? 3,730. Okay, your 3,730 will be worth 3,730. Yeah, that's around $40 plus. Okay, Then if this
bad.
thing gets to 0. Yeah, it's not bad anyway. 0.04, you're getting over $100 plus. Okay, if you get to 0.04, which is the highest we went to when trading here, you'll get around $100 plus. Okay, you get around $100 plus. So okay, yeah. So somebody got 58,000. Yeah, you're looking at $58,500, $600 plus. Somebody got this is 20,000, right?
200,000.
200,000. What did you do? Please share with me. What did you do to get up to 200,000? Is it referred at 200?
I think it's referral. The more referrals you get, the more dogs you get.
So at the current price, you'll be worth $2,000 plus. Okay, if it goes to 0.04, I think 0.04 that should be around $8,000 plus. Okay, but at the current price, you'll be worth $2,600. Right?
Somebody just got
Congratulations.
$87,000. Somebody commented that he got $87,000. Wow, that's a whole lot.
$87,000.
What did you do?
Oh, okay. So yeah, we're just giving you an idea, okay, of whatever this token, please, which exchange is this one? Is LBANK. The exchange name is LBANK. If you go to the description of the video, you'll be able to see the exchange there, right? It is LBANK, right? It's LBANK. LBANK has been around for a while and all of that. So if you want to start trading on LBANK, go ahead and trade on LBANK. The exchange name is LBANK, okay? And let's even look at the volume that has been done on this token. So far, it's over 1.5 million. Okay, more monies are even coming in. As at the time I saw this, it was 1.1 million. Right now, it's 1.5 million. So, yeah, more volumes are coming into this particular stuff right now. Okay, but if you feel that when this get listed on Bybit, on Binance, and other exchanges, that it will trade, it will go to 0.04, for instance. Okay, 0.04, for instance. This is the time to start buying. Okay, this is the time to start buying. So if you buy this thing right here, okay, and it goes to that 0.04, you're looking at 200% plus. Okay, 200. So it means if you put $1,000 there, you'll be getting over $2,000 back. All right. If you start trading this thing right now on LBANK. Okay. So yes, it's LBANK. You can go to the description of the video. Please, guys, subscribe to Priceless channel. As at the time I said subscribe, I only have 20 subscribers. Let me see how many of you have subscribed. Okay, let me refresh the page and see how many of you have subscribed. Okay, subscription is for free. It doesn't cost anything. It's only 4 persons who have subscribed to the channel. Can we make it up to 50? Okay, just click on that link and go subscribe to the channel. Okay,
please
click on that
to
link
my
and go
channel
subscribe to the
so
channel.
I can be sharing more updates for you guys.
Exactly. So she does a lot there. Okay, so short videos that teaches you, how to secure your wallet, how to use these exchanges and all of that. So please go support her and subscribe to the channel. All right. Yeah. Go
I'll be sharing more features, tips.
Yeah. So for those of you who want to trade features, okay, you can always reach out to her. She will be of help. So if you go to the description of this video, guys, all right. If you go to the description of this video, you'll be able to see the link to LBANK and Bybit and all of that. Okay, so just click on the more option. This is the link to claim this these free dogs. Okay, participating in the Bybit token splash option. The first link there will do that. You can join us on Telegram using the second link, and then the third link there. This is for LBANK, all right? So if you want to sign up for LBANK, use the other link there that says sign up on LBANK, and then you can come buy this token. This is not in any way financial advice. This token, when it get listed, it could start dumping more. But we are assuming that if it get listed and it trades at 0.01, okay, the starting price on LBANK started at 0.001. Okay, it started at 0.001. And I guess it's because it was not listed on any other exchange. A lot of people were buying into this, into this token. So it got to 0.04. All right. So when it gets listed, we are assuming that it trades at 0.012 or 13. this is how much your token will be worth if it gets to that. All right. So I think that will be it for the everything about that. Somebody got 58. You're looking at around $600 at the current price. Okay. I can't register for the token splash. Is saying I am not eligible. What did you do? I don't think it is for both old and new users. So I don't think I don't understand why you should say you are not eligible. Okay, if you have a Bybit account already, make sure that you log into the account and click on that register button. Okay, sorry. All right. There are two links there, okay? There are two separate links there. So if you use the first link, you will not be eligible, all right? If you use the first link, if you are using Bybit already for a while now, don't register with this option, okay? Scroll down and register on the second option. This is the one that you will be registering for. Don't use the first one. On the first one, you will not be eligible, but the second one is the one you'll be eligible for. So this second one here is for those who have Bybit accounts already. Okay, the first one here is for those of you who just sign up for a Bybit account. All right, this is for those who just sign up for a Bybit account, and this is for old Bybit account users. Okay, so Victor, try to register again and let me know if that works out for you. Okay, try to register again and let me know if that works out for you. Somebody got is this 33,380? Yeah, I think we've calculated around that 30,000 range or so. Yeah, FA trade, it's been a while. I've been, don't worry. Going forward, we'll be doing the live stream more often. So you got 87. 87, you're looking at 87 is what it is. 87 again. I think it's about $100. No, see. So at the current price, if you got 87, let's see, 87. So you're looking at $1,000 plus. All right, you're looking at $1,000 plus. So with 87, you're looking at $1,000 plus. All right, 87, you're looking at $1,000 plus. So sorry guys, I need to get this call. So all right, yeah. So 58, 60,000, you're looking at $500, $600 plus. Somebody got is this what is this 115? Is that 115,000? IP mentor is that 150,000, right?
It's 115,000 in his 3 accounts put together.
Okay, so 115. That's over $1,000 plus, right? $1,000 plus. That's huge actually. Those of you got now, one thing you guys should take note of, okay? I don't know, I'm not certain, but prevention, they say, is better than cure. If you have multiple accounts, please don't withdraw all of them to the same account, to the same Bybit account. All right, don't withdraw all of them to the same Bybit account. Okay, I exhausted my 2 Bybit accounts, so I withdrew the last one to Telegram. All right, which is why I made that last video. So I know I'll be needing Tone as gas fee to be able to withdraw it out of Telegram, but I don't mind. Okay, so if you finish your Bybit accounts and all of that, don't make sure that you don't withdraw, because they talked about verification. I don't know the kind of verification they'll be doing, but to be on the safe side, don't withdraw all your dogs token to the same Bybit account. Okay, because it's going to be the same Bybit UID that you're going to be submitting. All right,
so they can use different exchanges. Different exchanges.
Yeah, like you can use different exchanges and then use the Telegram wallet too, or you can allow it after the listing. Okay, you will now get an idea of what they are doing, then you can withdraw your token back to Bybit. If you want to withdraw all of them to the same Bybit account after the listing, I don't think those verification will be there. Okay, so but for now, be careful so that you don't get you don't miss out on this
tokens.
Okay. All right, so Henry is saying on BNS, okay, the pre-market on BNS is 0.05. So guys, definitely dogs will pay. Okay, dogs will be able to pay the bill. Okay, looking at all these different prices, if it is trading at the pre-market at 0.05, and then it got listed on LBANK at it traded at 0.04, then it will be in between. Okay, between 0.01 to 0.05. It will be in between. So just keep an eye on this thing. I believe with all of this that this thing will pay, okay, to pay the bills, right? So congratulations to those of you who have multiples account. Congratulations to those of you who have just one account. And congratulations to those of you who got less than 1,000 token. Okay, if you got less than 1,000 token, congratulations too. Somebody got 9,950. 9,950 should be what? So 9,950. Yeah, $120. $100 plus. So yeah, that's something. That's something. Okay. And then yeah, somebody, so 10,000 too, you are looking at the same range, okay, around $100 plus. I think the token would dump on 23rd as of selling pressure. Well, not everybody will receive their token that day, right? Not everybody will receive their token, but the whole idea is if you cannot sell immediately, just wait, okay? When the market starts, when, you know, maybe after a week or two, when everything is calm and the market start recovering, you can buy, okay, and sell. Then if you sell, please don't go and eat all the money. Okay, don't go and eat all the money. Just keep some aside, and then when the market dumps, you buy back. All right, when the market dumps, you buy back. It's as simple as that. Okay. Personally, why I will have to go live, okay, with you guys is I want to look at areas where I can buy the token. Okay, I didn't get anything from 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗲𝗀 airdrop, but I was able to make money trading the token itself. All right, I was able to make money trading the token itself. So I did not get the airdrop, but I was able to make money trading the token itself. And I want to equally see how I can get something out of out of dogs once it get listed. All right, once it get listed, I'll be trading it as well. And I'm going to take that risk of buying at LBANK, even if it is $100 worth of this token. I will buy now with the hope that I'll make maybe 200% plus or thereabout in this once it get listed or once it start appreciating. Okay.
Based on the chart, it looks like it's accumulating. It's like it's at the accumulation stage because there's no much selling pressure. There's no much buying pressure. People are just holding and very few buys. And also with the market, with the volume that you checked, because on my screen it's not so clear. When we started this live, you said it was around 1.1 million, right? Now it's at 1.5. So people are just accumulating. There's going to be this very big push on that day before that massive dump. And
exactly.
So if you're smart, you can probably set limits to sell at maybe the all-time high, because I'm very sure it's not going to be listed at the all-time high, but you can sell some part of it at the all-time high from this exchange, maybe on your own. Then if it dumps you, then you have to like rebuy to make profits. Just wash, rinse, and repeat, that kind of stuff. So if you have extra funds, so you can buy. This is not the financial advice.
Anyway, that exactly. Okay, so you see the more reason why you need to subscribe to Priceless channel, right? So she knows what she's doing. She's very good at this, okay? So please try to support her and subscribe to her channel. She'll be publishing more content for you. I think please try to put your TikTok links and all of that in your video description so that people can equally follow you on TikTok as well. All right. So if you're on TikTok, you can equally follow on TikTok as well, okay, to learn more. Mr. Kings, Alpha, what are you looking at? What is your own take on the dogs? What do you think it will trade at? I just feel that dogs will cancel once the zero in front of it. Maybe we'll trade at 0.1 or 0.2. That's what I just feel on my own. I feel that we'll trade at 0.1, 0.2. What do you guys think?
I really don't have much. I really don't have much say on it because Miss Priceless, she's already set up, and the way I see it, it's just at the end of the day, I don't see it as something that will actually yield enough, because even most people that are currently mind this thing, most of them, they are not really interested in this crypto trading or whatever. They are just doing it for the money. Just as once the thing is launched now, they'll just sell off. So that is going to cause a massive dump on the market, definitely. And the price, and at the end of the day, the price is going to hit the rock bottom. That's just my own speculation on it. I just hope it doesn't go that way.
Why are you causing feud now? Why are you causing feud? Because this thing you're saying.
I'm kind of a realist. That's just, and between them, the both of us, we know, being in this space for so long, that's something that is definitely.
This thing you said, that's what a lot of people said about Notcoin, but somehow Notcoin surprised everybody. I don't even think Doge will pull the amount of funds Notcoin pulled. Do you know how much we made from Notcoin? People were expecting Notcoin to dump. Nobody's even expecting Notcoin to be standing at the stage it's standing now, because it looks like any regular person was doing Notcoin. I feel like it's going to cook, but yes, there's going to be a massive dump, but the dump will not hold so long because people that do not have idea about crypto are not going to hold. Now, the smart money people are going to come in when it has dumped. The whales are going to come in when it has dumped because it has a good narrative and it has like good community backing it up. For the people that you feel like, oh, they're not so wise and they'll just sell, they don't even have that much tokens from the supply. And how much is the airdrop and how much is the supply and how much is are the whales that are going to buy this token? I'm just saying, based on what I've experienced with Notcoin and other tokens that have been launched, I feel like it might dump, yes, but the dump is going to be bought up real quick. Like whales are going to buy it up. But let's see, we don't really know what's going to happen. This space is going to surprise everybody. Like I said, if you have a token, you have the token, sell part of it when you're in profit. And if you feel like it has a good narrative for you, you can hold part of it. I'm still holding the little Notcoin I have, and I'm not selling till Notcoin gets to $1. And I don't know when it's going to happen. It might be next year, it might be in 2 years' time, but I'm holding till Notcoin gets to $1 because I believe Notcoin will get to $1. It's same with Doge. So that is what I'm going to do with Doge. I don't know, Sha. That's my own advice. So if I said she has a question with the tutorial, not with the tutorial, she usually get liquidated with trading or taking signals. I'm a beginner. Please, can you talk about it or make a video on how to what, please? Can you please complete your questions so we can know how to answer it? And when you say you get liquidated, how do you use all your capital when taking the trades? And what are you using cross isolated margins? Do you even know what cross or isolated margin is? I think you should complete your question first, then we'll know how to answer you from there.
Yes, I actually wanted you to answer her because I think she has been on the group saying that she got liquidated 3 times or so. So please just educate her when it comes to liquidation, right? I don't know, when you talk about being liquidated and the rest, please, if there is any advice you get to give her, okay, in terms of avoiding liquidation, all right, you can go ahead and let her know. Okay. For me, the easiest way to avoid liquidation is use stop loss. It's as simple as that.
Exactly.
Even if the market is taking you out 100 times, use stop loss. That's the easiest way. Okay, but if you have different opinions, that you can tell her so that she will.
Saying that she's a beginner, I think she does not really know how to calculate her stop loss. And your leverage, the leverage you use when taking the trade matters a lot. Maybe you are not calculating your leverage or your stop loss well, but if they give you a stop loss and when you input that stop loss, it's telling you it's 100%, it means you're probably going to get liquidated. Or that's if you're using all your capital. And your stop loss being 100% means if you enter the trade with $100, once you are at $100 loss, it's going to take you out, and that is not a good way to trade. If you're taking a trade with $100, at least you shouldn't be risking more than $20 for your SL. That's like 2%. You get, so check the stop loss and best learn how to calculate how your trades and when entering a trade, because I don't understand why you're getting liquidated. Or maybe it's the margin you're using. You could be using cross and you don't know. And for a beginner, I would not advise you to use cross. You can check Leonard's page. You're usually on isolated. That means you're using all your capitals on that trade and you're not calculating your stop loss. if you put your stop loss, does it tell you 100% or a 20% or a 30%?
And your leverage matter.
So I think you should check that out. But if you're on the Telegram group, you can drop a message on the Telegram group. Somebody is going to answer you, or you can drop it now. I would attend to you because I'm currently online. So let's see how what's going on with you and how we can like avoid you getting liquidated, because liquidation means you have to go look for extra capital when you should be making more money from the market. You're putting back more money.
Exactly.
That doesn't make sense. Just drop a message on the Telegram, or you can look for me on the Telegram chat. I'm there. You can come inside my DM. Let's talk about it.
Okay, guys, how many of you took this trade? Okay, when I dropped it this morning, serious, was it in the morning or this afternoon? This thing has started again. This thing has started again. I hope we will be able to hit full TP in this, right? I hope we'll be able to hit full TP in this. This token has been doing wonders. So I hope we'll be able to hit full TP. This is a very nice breakout. So this broke out and then it's really going up that high. So if you took the trade, okay, I think it's time to, normally some of you don't like closing half of your position, but I just did, okay, close half of my position and move stop loss to entry. It's as simple as that, to save myself the stress. Okay, move stop loss to entry and then save yourself the stress. All right, so just before we call it a day, guys, let me know which of the tokens should we look at right now and take trades on. I currently have some trades, though some of the trades like Notcoin is not going well for me. Okay, Notcoin is dumping with BTC, and the limit order we had last night for NMR, okay, triggered, right, when BTC started dumping. NMR triggered, okay, and it's currently running. So what do you guys think? What let me just open up that. But if you are on this rare, okay, if you are long on rare, it's time to actually take profit. Okay, if you are long on rare, it's time to take profit and take profit. Okay, just secure and then move your stop loss to entry. Okay, take profit and move stop loss to entry. Okay, this thing is always going against BTC, right? When BTC dumps, that is when, look at this. Okay, BTC is creating two massive candles to the downside, and then rare is creating two massive candles to the upside. It's as simple as that. All right. So yeah, then for NMRUSDT, we took a trade. We had a setup last night. Okay, for those of you who joined.
On the UTP.
Okay. No, not this one. We're actually looking for long. We're looking for long on this particular token, which has not really triggered yet. Okay, but some of us set limit order, I think 14.5, right? The 14.5 order is the one that is currently running. Okay, but if you have not, then look at this. Okay, wait for the market to come down to that area, and that's when you start looking for long. Okay, but the trade that triggers for me right now is the one I set up at 14.5. That's the one that is currently running for rare. For NMR, okay, NMR, that's the one that's currently running. And yeah, so what do you guys think? Priceless Kings, what are we looking at so that we can give our guys their trades to go on with?
I did a BTC analysis on Sunday and it triggered, currently on profit. Let me see. Can I share my screen?
Yes, you can share your screen.
Okay, let's see. Let me open my trading view first.
Yeah, go ahead. Take your time. King, how far? What are you looking at?
For me, I just closed my trade on Doge, rather, DOGE. I just closed it. It hits a full TP. I took a trade on it, I think around 9 in the morning. A short trade rather. So it has hit the full TP. I just closed it just now. But for this other one, Sun, I think it's a new token. The volatility is just anyhow.
Hey, let me see.
It's actually
kind
of disrupting my whole momentum and all that. Currently, thing also.
No, Sun has been around for a while. It's not a new token. It's just surfaced from nowhere. The token just surfaced from nowhere. It has been around for a while. But were you long or short?
Yeah, I observed this. Although I got the trend for the long trade, but I didn't take it on time. So after it got to its ATH, I took a short one. I took a short, but it's kind of just it misbehaving since.
Yeah. I can see how massive this thing is. It's selling off now. If it's selling off now, where is your entry?
I got my entry, I think, around 0.0011430.6. Yeah, around that area.
The market is really far above that area. Okay, let me see if I can take a quick scalp. Okay, I'll see if I can take a quick scalp on this area. I just feel I should short this thing right. But let's see how it goes. Let me look at 5 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Once we break below this area, guys, I'm in for this.
Shorting it is actually the best way to go right
now. Yeah. So look for a short trade. Let's see from here to that high there. That's almost 10%. Yes, 10%. 10%. So we can have limit orders and see how we can, make some profit from this. Let me quickly look at that and see what the funding rate is currently at right now.
I'm just kind of pissed that this Bitcoin dumping trend, I didn't catch it on time. That's just was.
Yeah, BTC, right? Is even, I think, BTC is between that 61.58, 61.58 until we break out of this thing. I don't think, BTC is still moving sideways between this 58, 61K. Okay, we'll just have to break out of that 200 moving average. Okay, sorry, Priceless is here. Let me give her the screen, okay? So let her share her screen. Yeah, go ahead.
So this was my analysis on BTC. I did it on Sunday. I set the limits. I completely, so if I was sleeping, it was when you talked about trades then. I think it triggered in the morning also. And then this is it. But this was not just the analysis I did. I took a 𝗬 trade too, and this 𝗬 is not going well. It's not. But let me check what it's doing now because I've been on this live. Let's see. So, it has not even triggered. It was supposed to trigger. I think it's a miss entry. So I think these are the two trades I was looking at that I did a few days ago because I don't analyze and take the trades immediately. I usually analyze and wait for it to trigger. You know, when you're being extra careful, that kind of stuff. So that's it. But this is my current analysis that I'm waiting to play out. So I'm waiting for it to play out. This is 𝗘𝘅𝗰𝗵𝗆𝘀. I feel like this is a high probability trade, though this is not a financial advice, so people of God.
This
is not a financial advice.
Yes, go ahead.
But
anybody who has made up his mind to trade knows.
Okay, but it's a high probability trade because here at the demand zone under the 1 hour time frame, it's very, very strong and it's already broke a structure. It's cleared the liquidity down. So I'm expecting it to like come down here, pick this trade and move. And you can also check it on the 4 hours time frame. It's almost giving the same thing. So if you see it's on the 4 hour time frame, if it gets to this point, it's going to be like a double bottom, which signifies a bullish trend. So I think it's going to be a swing trade. That's if you can hold the trade though. But if you can't hold trade, you can just do a quick scalp to this end. That's to 5.2 from the entry of 4.5. That's what I think. So this is the trade I'm waiting to like play out since Sue missed my entry. So I'm just patiently waiting for it. I don't think scalping is for me. I tried scalping. It just messes up with my head. So I rather wait for my trades to play out. Then if you hit SL, I know, oh, this thing hits SL, not because I'm trying to scalp, but because the market did not go my direction and I will not beat myself. And I think as a newbie, for somebody who is still new in this space, this is like the best strategy you should use. You shouldn't be jumping in and out of trades. It's just going to wound your account and your account will bleed. And as for Ife that is taking trade that is getting her liquidated, I think you still need to learn risk management and how to calculate your capital and how to spread your capital across trades, so you don't take one trade and you're liquidated and you're looking for capital to take another trade again, even if it's $5 you have.
Somebody is asking, Femi is asking if it is possible to get liquidated on spot.
No, it's not possible to get liquidated on spot. What's just going to happen is your $100 can turn to $0. But if that trade wakes up, if that coin wakes up, you're going to get your money back. It's only on leverage trading that's where you can get liquidated. Once on spot you hold, I think you only lose on spot when you sell. The only way you make losses on spot is when you sell. If you're patient in this space and you hold that token, you are going to make your money back. So if you have any token on spot that is not doing well, unless you know that token is dead, does not have a community backing it up or nothing, that is when you should probably sell, cut your losses. But if that's not the case, if it has a good use case and a good community, then you should probably hold. You might be grateful you did in a few months from now. Because once you sell, you don't have that token, you don't have that supply anymore, which means even if the coin wakes up, there's nothing you can do about it.
Yeah. Okay, so Femi, I hope you got that. And then for if you're lower, please, as a new user, just try to reduce your leverage. Okay. Try to reduce it. 25x leverage is high. Even 20x is high. Okay, even 10x is high. All right. I know we want to make this money fast, but it doesn't really, it doesn't really make any sense for now until you get used to how the market works and all of that. Reduce your leverage, and your margin. If you have been trading, just reduce your leverage, okay, and always look for trades that can pay. Not every single trade you see you jump into it. Okay. All right, guys. So if you have questions, I think that's all right. We've talked about. Expect us to go live again the day this thing will be listed for trading. All right. Even if you don't get your tokens, we are going to trade, okay, to see levels where we can buy and make profit and all of that. But I'm going to look at LBANK. Yeah, I'm going to look at the current price on LBANK and see, how I can actually. Let me go to that LBANK of 15. I want to see how I can actually put like $100 into this thing and see how it turns out. Okay. Put $100 into this stuff and see how it turns out. LBANK, what's happening? LBANK is not coming up. Okay, so that's basically what I'm looking at. yeah, so I'm going to look at this token and see how. I'm not going to rush it. Let me see before the close of today. If I can get it lower, fine, and we'll just buy some so that when the listing finally happens on the 23rd, as the market is going up, will be, don't be worried, all right? Even if you don't receive your token on the 23rd. Why they rush? Okay, why they rush? All right, once it's listed for trading, once you get your token, you can always sell it. And as I said earlier, okay, for those of you who were here earlier, the patient dog, they say, is the fattest bone, right? And we are dealing with dogs. So if you want your bone to be fatter, then be patient with the market, okay? But if you're in a haste, whenever you get your token, sell, and then when the market dumps, you buy, and when they start appreciating, you can, start selling back and all of that. So be smart. We'll look at it on when it get listed, okay? That should be next tomorrow, right? 23rd should be Friday. Okay, I hope I'll be available on Friday. So we'll look at it, see levels where we can buy and sell, and then we'll know how to take profit in the market, and we'll call it a day. So yeah, good evening, please. How can I message you? If you're low, I just drop a message on Telegram. Okay, drop a message on the Telegram platform. Then Priceless will be able to contact you. Okay, if you don't know how to message, drop
the
a
Telegram
message.
is
Yes, on
link
Telegram.
below below this video, or you can click on his YouTube page.
Yeah.
You see the link, 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗽𝗀𝗻, I think.
Yeah. Yes. So just drop a message there. She'll be able to contact you. Okay. All right. Okay. So thank you everyone for being here today. Please do me a favor and smash that like button before you go. Right. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. If you have enjoyed us interacting this evening, smash the like button. Let's see how we can, get the likes up there. Okay, let's get the likes up there, and then we'll see you on Friday. Okay, hopefully by tomorrow, if I have the time too, we can equally do live. Maybe we're doing the live until that Friday. Maybe tomorrow we'll just be doing live on trading tokens, trading crypto, and all of that. But right now, I think we are good right here. Okay, thank you guys for being here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye, and enjoy your evening.
Bye bye, everybody.
Yeah, thank you.